Alright, welcome to another video. Let's do another design problem. Two-sum data structure. Okay. So we got here self dot hash. So I think we could just basically do the hash map method here, right? I like the default dictionary. Let's do the default. So add will be self dot HP. Let's call it mapping. What we'll say is a number and I guess we can do this self dot I guess we could do we'll do this here too. And we'll have actually let's call it size. Let's be size self dot array dot append self dot size will increment, and then the find is what we need to do is really optimal, at least linearly. So like twosome was finding its complement. Maybe we can do like some kind of complement as well, right? How could we do this? Returns true if there exists any pair of numbers whose number is equal to value. Okay. So add to data structure. Okay. So find is gonna do this. Basically, we add 1, add 3, add 5, then we add 4, or find 4, and basically I have to do this. Do I have to make another hash map where I just basically do this, right? If self.map. If self dot, I guess mapping, where we can, I guess we can for every n in nums, or self dot array. I guess we can say if the value we're looking for minus n this in the mapping, then return true, return false. I don't know. Does that make sense? So for example, we add this, so it's 1, 3, 5. Then we're going to go. So the kind of the array basically is 1, 3, 5, and then we'll do dot find 4. So we'll basically say, okay, does value, which is 4 minus n, 4 minus n in that 3? Yes, we do. So return true. Load. Well, that works with 1, but I feel like there could be, oh, so close. Okay, let's find this one. Use test case. So we'll do to_sum add find. So we initialize, we add 0. Okay. So this is gonna be add 0 and then find 0. But what did this return? False but true? Okay, let's do this. If length of self dot array less than 2, return false. Right? Because it doesn't make sense. Yeah. Wow, okay. Slowly getting there. So, final array here is add 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. Oh, wait, hold on. I'm doing this wrong. So 3, 2, 1. Then find. Okay, find 2. Right, 3, 2, 1. Then find 2. So let's find that. Does 2 minus 2 minus, I guess, yeah, 2 minus 3 exist? That's -1. Nope. Does 2 minus 2 2 minus 2 exist? 2 minus honestly, I don't even really need nope. And 2 minus 1, does 1 exist? Oh, I see the problem now. Okay, I see the problem. I can't have myself in the mapping too, right? Basically saying 2 minus 1, does 1 exist? You can't have yourself. So I guess and self dot mapping of n does not equal self dot mapping of value. Like we can't be pointing to the same same thing, right? So that would prevent that. I think that should work. That's nice. Bro, we actually win words. Okay. Use this test case. Okay. So we have this here. Oh, this is one of the old ones. So we add 0, and then we find 0. This one's gonna say oh, that's the problem. We have 2 of the same key. Let's actually have, let's flip it. Size. And then number. So let's redo this logic. So we'll have for every num in self.array, let's do I if I okay what was the problem here? The problem here was, okay, we add, and then we don't have a uniqueness, right? So basically, let's find complement, which is value minus n. If complement in, I guess, self dot mapping, and the I guess self dot mapping of complement does not equal self dot mapping of n. I guess I. Not complement, I guess. Okay, what is happening? Okay. I actually need 2 mappings, not gonna lie. One, I need 2 mappings. One for, I guess, let's say number to I index, and we'll say indexed to mapping. So we append the number, and we'll say this self dot mapping Let's say index to, okay, that's the wrong number, index to number, right? And we'll have number to number to right. So for every so I have, so if complement in number to index, and um, self dot uh, of complement does not equal I right now. Yeah. Return true, else false. Wait, why do I need this again? Number to index and then index to number. I don't need this, right? Please work, bro. Let's go. It's exactly what I was looking for. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.